So, what have I done to this 2010 Mazda 3? So I removed the roof rack, make it look clean now. I got rims and tires from Fitment Industries. I think I have a video of that unboxing or unwrapping. I got some side skirts for this. The side skirts are not really stock to this car, so I just fitted as much best I can. Deleted the muffler from a local shop, and now it sounds better. I lettered the tires with some white letters in them, or marker you use them. So mark those letters, and it stands out pretty good. Uh, from the stock, I also did the coilovers for this one. This is how it sounds right now. Alright, started from the inside.